How's it going, guys? I'm in my 2015 Nissan Leaf, and this car has had a broken horn for a long time, and I finally decided to try and fix it. And I've been pretty baffled, and I finally worked it out, so I thought I'd post a video about this, just in case anyone else is having the same problem. Now, if you've checked the relay and you've checked the fuse, the next thing you might be thinking is that you need to replace the clock spring. And if you're not aware, the clock spring is this. It basically connects the wires from back here up to the front, and it allows the wires to spin inside. Now, I did replace the clock spring, and it didn't fix my issue, and I was pretty frustrated. And I've actually since changed the clock spring back. But let me show you a quick way you can test to see if the clock spring is working. When you look at the airbag after you take it out, there's this little brown wire that is usually connected down here. Take that off, and oh my gosh, sorry, it's a little rough to do this with limited hands. Touch the middle bolt with the brown wire, and you can hear, in my instance, that the horn is actually working. So if that is the result of that test, then your clock spring is fine. The problem for me, excuse me, actually ended up being this mechanism here. There's this kind of built-in switch. So this airbag mounts to this frame, and this frame pushes in and out. Can you see that? There are screws right here that are adjustable, and there's little springs behind there. But the actual connection, this is a ground connection. You're connecting this to ground. So this is on here. This airbag is screwed into this frame. So all of this is connected. It's when this little piece right here touches. Initially, I thought maybe the connection was dirty, so I took this off and cleaned it up. But that didn't really make much of a difference. What I ended up having to do was actually take the springs from behind here, and I cut one of them in half and ended up with two halves. And then I put the halves back there instead of whole springs. And now the entire thing works. So I don't know if it's like a design flaw or what, but I'm sure someone else is probably having the same issue. And I couldn't find anything online that was specific to this model, so that is why I'm making this quick video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and post them in the comments below. If you like the video, like it, and if you want to see other things, subscribe. Cool, thanks, bye.